Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you about the lesson chapter 7. Chapter 7, that is a visit to Cambridge. It is taken from the book Honeydew for class 8. In this book, we are going to learn about an interview between Pradas Konga, who is the writer, and Stephen Hawking. Pradas Konga, who is the writer of this lesson, A Visit to Cambridge, and this is an interview between these two great persons. Pradas Konga, who was a great writer and journalist. On the other hand, Stephen Hawking, who was a astrophysicist, and astrophysicist, that is a branch of astrophysics. Astrophysicist, a branch of astrophysics, that is, this is a branch of physics in which we study, that is stars and planets, जिसमें stars and planets के बारे में अध्ययन होता है. Just we are going to learn this lesson. We are going to study this chapter, A Visit to Cambridge, written by Pradas Konga. That is, both persons, Pradas Konga, who is the writer, and Stephen Hawking, both are physically handicapped. That is, disability is certainly not the end of life's journey. It is not the end of life's journey. Every handicapped person who is physically handicapped, disabled persons, is gifted with one or the other talent given by God. God has gifted such persons who are physically handicapped. ईश्वर ने ऐसे लोगों को कुछ न कुछ गिफ्ट इनको ग्रहण करते हैं. Just here, that is Stephen Hawking, who is physically handicapped, and Pradas Konga, who is also physically handicapped. Then the author, Pradas Konga, who wanted to visit England. Then what happens? The author could neither move nor stand up straight. No, चल सकते थे, वॉक कर सकते थे, न खड़े हो सकते थे. Just him, on the other hand, he accepted his disability. अपने disability को accept कर लेते हैं. Just like a warrior, just like a brave person, he wants to live his life not as a disabled person but as a brave person. Just he overcame his handicap in another way. What is the other way? Just he is telling here. He set out on world tour. That is, what was the purpose of this tour? That is, in order to write his memoirs in a book form. He wanted to give a shape of his memoirs. एक आकार देना चाहते थे बुक के रूप में अपने यादों को इकट्ठा करना चाहते थे. Just a visit to England calls for a visit to Cambridge. Just a visit to England is for a visit to Cambridge for him. Just England for the author was another name for Cambridge. एक दूसरा नाम था Cambridge. Just it is also called a metaphor. Just Cambridge was his metaphor for England. Metaphor, that is रूपक, just like that. ठीक उसी तरह. During his walking tour, when he was walking, that he was going to, that is on a tour पर जा रहे थे, and to England. Just on his tour, he got a pleasant surprise. What was the surprise? Just he is telling here. The guide उनके साथ था, who was with him, प्रदास कोंगा के साथ जो writer थे, he was going on a tour, and just the guide जो उनके साथ था, he told him, guide ने उनको बताया. What he told? The guy told him about Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking के बारे में उसने बताया. What kind of man he is, how he is a great scientist. He is physically handicapped, but in spite of that, he is a great scientist of his time. And Stephen Hawking, a scholar of astrophysics, just he tells about him. The guy tells about Stephen Hawking to Pradas Konga, who is the writer. that his body just but Stephen was teaching at Cambridge. He was teaching at Cambridge. Stephen Hawking was teaching at Cambridge. कैम्ब्रिज में वो अध्यापन कार्य करा रहे थे. जस्ट but what happens? This genius suffered from a paralysis. He was suffering from paralysis. Stephen Hawking was suffering from a paralysis. Paralysis के रोगी थे, पेशेंट थे. And but his brilliant brain, he decided to live creatively. He decided, in spite of being physically handicapped, he made up his mind to live a life, just live a creative life. Creatively he wanted to live. रचनात्मक ढंग से he wanted to do something for the world, for the people of the world. He wanted to do something. And he was a living example what the unyielding human spirit can do and achieve. Just he was example for others. The author rang up the professor, that is Hawking. He rang up when he was going there on a tour. He wanted to visit, he wanted to talk to Stephen Hawking. He rang up, and then what happened? You see, he rang up the professor that is Stephen Hawking, for an interview के लिए he wanted to take उसके लिए इंटरव्यू फिक्स करना चाहते थे, that is अनुमति लेना चाहते थे. That's why he granted half an hour. He was given, फिरदौस गंगा was given half an hour for interview के लिए आधी घंटा मिला इनको. And he felt sicky and weak. He was fed up with people advising the disabled to be brave. Just some persons are there who told, कुछ ऐसे लोग भी होते थे जो क्या कहते थे, physically handicapped persons should be brave. इनको बहादुर होना चाहिए. तो just he did not like it. And just meeting another physically handicapped person, दूसरे ऐसे व्यक्ति से मिलना, just he was thinking stronger than him was an inspiring experience. Just he was thinking that it was inspiring experience to meet such a person, to visit such a person who was also physically handicapped. वो भी physically handicapped है, तो एक such a type of man, ऐसा एक आदमी दूसरे आदमी से मिलता है तो inspiring, ऐसा he was thinking, and he proved it also. Then what happened? You see, he asked Stephen, first question he asked, who, the writer फिरदौस गंगा asked first question Stephen Hawking से. उन्होंने पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा, क्या था? What was the first question? The first question was, he did not claim to be brave, and he admitted that he had no choice. Disability, he said, that is how he answered it, that is, he said, was not a pleasure. Disability was not a pleasure according to him, according to Stephen Hawking. Disability was not a pleasure. ये कोई प्लेजर की बात नहीं थी, खुशी नहीं थी. But the author asked him if he was chronically unhappy. Chronically he was unhappy because he was physically handicapped. The answer was that he did not like to see sympathizers, those who have sympathy for him, or admirers. Some persons are there who admire such persons. He wanted to be alone. He wanted to be left alone, and that is not disturbed by anybody. He did not like to disturb नहीं होना चाहते थे, अकेले रहना चाहते थे. Mr. Stephen was easily exhausted, and he could not even stand straight. सीधे खड़े भी नहीं हो पाते थे. And just he told, उन्होंने बताया, what was his intellect. उनका intellect क्या था? His intellect was like inner glow. His intellect was like inner glow. It was his experience. What he is telling here, it was inner glow of lantern, just of a lantern with worn out, very thin walls. Just he was telling that his intellect was a inner glow, just like जो उनके अंदर जल रहा है बत्ती, ज्ञान रूपी बत्ती जो जल रहा था उनके शरीर में. His body case was wearing thin, but what mattered most in this case was the inner light. It was inner light for him. Just he is telling here, inner light. That is, his intellect was like inner light. It was burning like a lantern. The author asked more questions. So many questions he asked him, and Stephen Hawking answered frankly and truly. Frankly, he answered all questions, and just his advice was, he advised to the other handicapped persons was, उनकी जो सलाह थी, जो people who are handicapped, जो handicapped persons हैं, people in the world, was that they should concentrate. Physically handicapped people should concentrate, एकाग्रचित करना चाहिए on what they can do well. What can they do well? जो अच्छी तरह कर सकते हैं, जिसमें वो दक्ष हैं, जिस कार्य में. That is, they don't need to take part in Olympic Games. Olympic Games में उन्हें भाग नहीं लेना चाहिए. No, they need not to do this, to take part in Olympic Games. It is a waste of time for them. Waste of time for them. Just the author himself, however, felt great relief and joy to notice that is, he was luckier than Stephen. That is, you are lucky when he visited Stephen Hawking, for he could not turn his wrist but well and move about in a wheelchair. Physically, he was totally, that is, not capable to do anything. Now, the interview time was up. Closing time came. The author wanted to take leave of Stephen. Author wanted to take leave of Stephen. Then he took him to the garden. Just later, he took him to the garden. बागीचे में ले जाते हैं Stephen Hawking, and then they decided to part. They decided to part of this interview. The author could not kiss him or cry. Only he touched his shoulder. केवल उसके कंधे को टच करते हैं. And but they felt very strong. Now when he is departing from there, he felt very strong he felt, and inspired by this interview. By this interview he was inspired, and he left the place. Just this is the end of this lesson. I hope that you have understood it, and just I am sending all the solutions of this question. I hope you will complete it.